my channel. So today we're doing a BoxyCharm unboxing, and this is for the month of November. Yeah, we're in November. So a little update, BoxyCharm is now $25 a month instead of $21. They changed it for this month unless you like subscribe to like a annual subscription, and then you would keep the 21 for a year. I didn't do that. I just pay the $25. I still feel like it's worth it because it's so much product, so much good stuff for $25. So I don't mind the increase. I know a lot of people were like pissed, but I'm not. Also, if you guys don't know what BoxyCharm is, where have you been? It is a monthly subscription plan for $25 a month with really, really amazing stuff. They also now have Boxy Luxe and Boxy Premium. Boxy Luxe is every 3 to 4 months, I believe, and that one is an additional like $35, I think. I don't know. I'll figure it out and leave all the details in the description bar below. And then also Premium, you have to be like on a wait list. I was on a wait list for this month and apparently I didn't get off, whatever. So hopefully I'll get December's Boxy Premium because I'm already a Boxy Luxe member, so I still get the Boxy Luxe, which is really, really good box. So without further ado, let's get into the box. And, oh, it's red. It's red now. So this is what it looks like. It always comes with your little box, or little like pamphlet or whatever, with all the stuff that you're getting in the box. So this month's box is BoxyCharm Stellar. Looks like this, and you open it, and then it breaks down everything that you're getting, and then if there's like any discounts and stuff, like codes and stuff. So this month we have a code for Dragon Beauty, which is Nikita Dragon's brand. That's cool. And it gets you 15% off of $80. And then there's a Natasha Denona coupon code that gets you 30% off of the Safari palette, the Sunset palette, or eyeshadow palette 28, which I don't know what that is. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, and on the back it explains Boxy Luxe. It explains Boxy Pop-Up, and then they've also implemented what is it called? Complexion customization. So I got the Becca one, and basically what you do is you had to like choose a range of like skin tones that you are or similar to, and then they busted out this bad boy. And basically you choose between the 3, you put them on, swatch them, and then you have to go online and you tell them which one is the closest to your skin tone so they can get it like right, and they can start sending out foundations and concealers. So that's really cool. I'm excited for this. So the first thing in the box is this bad boy, and these are BoxyCharm brushes. Let's get our little handy dandy pamphlet, that way we're sure of what we're getting. So BoxyCharm 2-piece brush set. It says create your favorite looks in total luxury with our first ever BoxyCharm branded brush set. So these are like BoxyCharm brushes. Like they're not in collaboration with anyone, they're BoxyCharm brushes. It says a large multi-purpose powder brush is perfect for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products, and the foundation brush has an oval base to help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. These ultra soft brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty-free, and this bad boy, or these bad boys, retail for $35. So I love a little pouch that they come in. It's like that soft material. And this is what the brushes look like. We got the big fat powder brush, and then we have the foundation brush. So they feel really good. They feel well made. I like that they have a little handle to like, you know, like draw and paint and do what you gotta do. They're really densely packed, so I don't know how that would work for like powder. I mean, unless it's like, I don't know. They're really, really soft though. Maybe like this one could be used for like concealer. I don't know. They look really cool. I really like them, just like this. But like obviously I'd have to test them out. So I'll try them out and let you guys know, keep you guys posted how I feel about the brushes. So far that's pretty neat. The next thing in the box is these face masks. This is so funny. I just used a Tula face mask that I actually got, I think, in my BoxyCharm like months ago. I used one this today because I was feeling it. I was feeling dry. Winter's coming. Fall is really hot, really cold right now. So I needed just like hydration and just to bring me back to life. So these are 2 Tula Skincare Star Bright Nourishing and Brightening Cosmic Hydrogel masks. It's a set of 2. It says clear skin, zero irritation. Our acne gel contains 2% salicylic acid to clear up acne, prevent breakouts, and brighten marks left by past acne. And this set of 2 retails for $22. So I'm excited about these. I love Tula masks. I've never purchased any because I've just got them always sent to me. But they've always been really, really nice, really hydrating, really good on the skin, and it just feels nice. I don't know. So I'm excited about these to add them to my little stash that I have of face masks because I live for face masks, especially sheet masks. They're just the best. They're less messy. And then usually it says that you can like finish like pressing in a leftover product. Like I don't really care too much for face masks if I tell you to go wash your face after. Like I just feel like that's just an extra step that you don't want to do, but like you have to. So when I get some that just says pat remaining product on skin and décolleté area, like I love that. So I love this. The next thing in the box is this Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. So I live for that right now. I'm starting to get a lot into skincare lately because I'm almost to my 30s and that's not good. Like you need to start taking care of your skin because if not it gets really, really bad. So this bad boy, it says, is a proprietary blend of fruit stem cells and vitamin C infused into organic antioxidant-rich botanical juices work to reduce the appearance of fine lines, thank the Lord, around the eyes and minimize the appearance of dark circles. Heck yeah. And this bad boy retails for $50. So that's amazing. That's amazing. And then you see why I don't get mad for paying $25. That's amazing for the stuff that you get. So it looks like this. It's cute. And basically, you're going to gently press to dispense product, then massage the applicator around the entire eye. Oh, how cool. It comes with like a little... I like that. Starting at the inner corner, gently pat excess with fingertips until absorbed. Use morning and evening after cleansing with a Juice Beauty Cellular Cleansing Oil and 2-in-1 Cleanser. Wipe applicator clean after use. I don't have anything by Juice Beauty. I think I have my skincare kind of in check at the moment. So maybe I'll check that out. So the next thing in the box is this Dose of Colors. Ooh. Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick. And it's in the shade Charm. And it says, our liquid matte lipstick has a velvety high fashion matte finish with which envelops. I can't speak today. Envelops lips in rich, long wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish. And this bad boy retails for $18. So I got the shade Charm. Ooh. And it's this like, wow. It's this like delicious dark berry color, I want to say. Not really like the colors that I'm drawn to, but I feel like for the holidays, that's such a beautiful color. It's like the color of my shirt. I like wearing like these wine, like maroon colors. They're just like my favorite, but not so much on the lips unless it's like a special occasion. Even my husband's like, what are you wearing? Because it's so different because I'm used to like my nudes and like mauvey rose tones all the time. So this is definitely really nice for Thanksgiving. It's definitely really nice for Christmas, New Year's Eve. So yes, I am definitely excited about this product. It's super cute. And we have come to the end of the box. And the last thing in this box is this Dominique Celestial Thunder palette. I've tried Kristen Dominique's in the past. I have her first launch, which was her Latte palette, and I absolutely love that palette. It's so versatile. It's so warm and delicious and like just perfect for fall, for summer. Like I just love that palette. I haven't tried any more of her palettes that I wanted to, but I haven't, since I've just been stuck on like my ColourPop shadows. Like I just love that formula. It's inexpensive. And I think the latte palette was like $40 something, $40, 40 something, I don't know, but I love that palette. It's well worth the 40 whatever I spent on it. So when I saw that this was gonna be in the box, I was really excited. So this is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette. It retails for $35, and it says Celestial Thunder is an explosion of vivid pigments, shadows, and glittery foils with 8 uniquely formulated shades for your creative, colorful eye look, or a simple pop of electric color. These vibrantly made shades tell a cosmic story and bring the universe to life. So let's see this, baby. Ooh, that is such a cute palette. Oh my gosh. So this is what the palette looks like, if you guys can see, if my lighting isn't so crappy today. It is beautiful. It is such a beautiful palette, and I just dug my thumb knuckle in there. So you get like a pink, you get like a burnt orange, deep burnt orange, then you get like an orange, you get like a teal, you get like a chocolate brown, and then you get 3 shimmers up here. You get like this really pretty one, an orangey one, and like a dark gray. Such a pretty color. I want to swatch one. I want to swatch this one. Oh my god, it's so pretty. That is so gorgeous. Oh, that's like everything. Oh my gosh. Wow. So I swatched the 3 shimmers. I don't know if you guys could see them. They're so pretty. I really like them. Let's do the teal one. Oh my god, it's so buttery. See, it's just like her other formula. It's really, really nice. This one reminds me of the color from the latte palette. This orange. It's very pretty. I love this palette. I haven't even like played with it, but I know it's gonna work good because Kristen Dominique's Cosmetics is really, really good. Like I said, I've only tried the latte palette and it's amazing. It's probably one of my like most loved palettes aside from like my ColourPop ones. And I think my Violet Voss that I got in my BoxyCharm is like one of like my most loved palettes. That's not ColourPop. Clearly I have a problem. So yeah, guys, that was everything in my BoxyCharm. Unfortunately, it has come to an end. And I'm actually really, really satisfied with everything that I got. I love the Tula masks. I have to test out the brushes. I'm super excited to play around with this. I will definitely be posting pics if you guys follow me on Instagram. If not, I will leave it down below so you guys can follow me and check out any looks. I also have a Facebook page. I told you guys in my last video, I believe it was my last video, yeah, that I made like a Facebook page where like I post stuff. I haven't been active the last 2 weeks, so I was like dying. I was super sick, and I've literally, like, today's the first day I've worn makeup in like forever. So it feels nice to just have a nice like clean look today. I just did my brows, I did some mascara, I tried the new ColourPop Pretty Fresh. I really like it. It's really light. It's really like fresh, and it just feels like skin. It doesn't feel gross. The coverage is really light, which is fine. I don't mind. It is a tinted moisturizer, which is what I wanted, especially for this time of year, where you're so like dry and you're just like want that like moisture in your skin. And it does have hyaluronic acid. Let me know if you guys want to see like a review and demo, if you guys want to see them in action. I did get the Pretty Fresh concealers as well, and the Pretty Fresh setting spray. I didn't get the primer just because I'm oily, so I like to prime with like something that's gonna be matte and like minimizing my pores and stuff. And then I got the Hyaluronic Pretty Fresh setting spray because I do powder. Like I said, I'm oily. And I powder, but then I don't want like that nasty, powdery, dry, crusty looking face after. So that's why I got the spray. I haven't tested it out yet, but I want to see what's up with it. So let me know. That way it'll give me a little bit of time to like test it out and give you and gather all of my thoughts and then give a pretty honest review about them. I mean, I'm always honest, but like, you know. So yeah, guys, this is the end of my BoxyCharm. I will leave all of the details below. I'll leave the total of everything. It's well over $100 because just this alone was $50. The Juice Beauty, but I know Juice Beauty is pretty pricey. So yeah, guys, I'll leave everything down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on my social medias. I'll leave them all down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!